Hi, do we have to say hello and talk and move around a little?
Tell us what day it is.
Hi, today is March 31st. Tomorrow's April Fool's Day.
Oh, boy.
I'm pregnant again. Hi, April Fools.
Very funny.
And here's Erin.
Tell John.
Margaret, we're going to introduce to the world. Erin would like to say hello to the world. She's going to get a Katie.
Hi, Katie.
Sit down next to Katie.
Hi.
Wave Katie to the camera. Katie, wave. Say hi,
Hi, Danny.
Say hi.
Hi, Katie. Baby's crying.
Baby's
What's the matter,
crying.
Laura?
Beautiful, look up.
Hurry up. Hi, smile. Oh, that's cute.
Say hi.
Hi.
Oh, she's
Wave
cute.
hello.
Oh.
Hi, everybody.
Say
I'm 2 weeks old. I'm so cute.
Say hi to Ricky, Jenny, and Chris.
Say hi to everybody.
Because they want to see
Say we
you.
miss seeing you.
She's
Say hi to Daddy.
Do that again. To work in the nursery, yeah.
Gosh, it was fun.
More later.
Hi.
Hi, baby.
Wave hi. Oh, she's doing it herself now. Oh, you're doing that. I didn't say that. I saw that. Hello. Move on.
No.
Wide angle. Get a wide angle on that one.
Say it again, Marianne.
No, I don't want to say.
Wave to the camera. Hi. Is that good? Is that good? Oh, you're almost done. Hi, Dan. Say hi to Ricky.
Hi, Ricky.
Christopher. Say hi to Christopher Goff.
Say hi, Chris.
The devil dogs go outside.
Have a nice Easter. Hi, Gail.
Hi.
Starting to pop out here.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
She's singing. That was a funny, Marianne.
It was, yes.
Oh, yummy.
Hi, Katie. You having fun? Hi, Katie. Wave hi. You having a good time?